In a surprising move, President Emmerson Mnangagwa's administration, grappling with financial strain, is now targeting churches to bolster its dwelling revenues. Sandapinda mashoko atona kuti aiwa toona kuti the government yakutanga kunotekesa machurches nemasangano ichiti aiwa mari dzamunowana mukutengesa mahimbooks nezvakadaro takuda kutodzitekesa zvekare. Sandapinda mashoko anoshamisa avhundutsa vanhu kuti vasubscribe like or turn the bell icon. Tipina panapa zimbabwe chiti this decision has been viewed as a desperate attempt by the government to show up its ailing coffers. On Thursday, the Zimbabwe Revenue Authority (ZIMRA) issued a public notice addressing churches across the country, outlining tax guidelines and inviting them to an upcoming stakeholder engagement. The statement read, Public notice. Note to all churches. The Zimbabwe Revenue Authority (ZIMRA) wishes to inform all churches about an upcoming stakeholder engagement. This forum aims to address tax compliance across all applicable tax categories as part of ZIMRA's commitment to transparent and compliant support. The date and revenue for the engagement will be communicated in due course. The notice also provided important tax guidelines for churches, detailing both exempt and taxable income. According to ZIMRA, exempt income. The following types of income are exempt from income tax: donations, tithes, offering, and contributions. Income received or accrued from donations, tithes, offerings, or contributions made by the members or benefactors of the church or of its institutions. Non-trading receipts: any income that does not arise from trade or investment activities conducted or on behalf of the church or its institution. Ndo mashoko atona anobuda nyugwa mu the public notice ashamisa vanhu vanyatsoona kuti aiwa the government yava desperate manje yakunyatso kuzunza mari from all the corners of the country. Tudze mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Ina comment section yenu tudze mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell.